Welcome to Crewe. Today we have a Seat Leon 1.4 TSI 125 PS XCELLENCE model. It's a 5-door model finished in black and has LED headlamps, front parking sensors and fog lights, 17-inch alloy wheels, LED indicators built into the mirror housing. The vehicle also features privacy glass. There's also rear parking sensors in the car as well. The Seat badge doubles as the boot handle, revealing a large loading space. Rear seats fold, 60/40 split. The car seats 5 in total, has a black cloth interior. Has 4 electric windows, electric heated mirrors that fold in, automatic lights, cruise control. The car's covered just over 7,500 miles. Has a large touchscreen media display. With DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, satellite navigation, traffic updates, hands-free calls, and full link facility for Android and Apple devices. Dual climate control, wireless charging, 2 USB ports and 3.5mm auxiliary. There's also keyless entry and keyless start in the car, hill hold, and storage in the centre with an armrest. If you'd like any more information on the car, please contact Patrick here at Crewe. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.